Hello Wendy's. In this video, we are going to talk about coffee vending machines that have proven to be a great success in vending machine industry. The amount of sale that a coffee vending machine has generated is half of the sale generated by any other vending machine in general. Yes, it is that popular. As the video moves forward, we will be discussing about number 1, what does a coffee vending machine do? Number 2, places where it can be installed. Number 3, how beneficial it can be for your purpose. Number 4, cost of coffee vending machines. And number 5, why one should have it. So first, let's discuss what does a coffee vending machine do. A coffee vending machine is an easy and effortless way to fulfill your need of having that desired cup of coffee. It dispenses a variety of flavored coffees as per your need. This automatically generated machines blend over ingredients of coffee and dispenses a ready-to-drink coffee over a click. Number 2, places where it can be installed. A coffee vending machine solves different purposes. It is used in homes, to corporate offices, to government organizations, almost everywhere for people at large. If you are an employee or employer, you must have seen it at your workplace. Office premises are the most common places where coffee vending machines are installed. Since working the whole day becomes tedious, therefore offices usually prefer it in order to keep employees motivated and boost their efficiency of working. Number 3, how beneficial can it be? See, smart technologies have made our lives easier, so has the coffee vending machines. Having such a machine at your place reduces the requirement of manpower to make coffee. One does not need to put in manual effort or leave his work to especially go and make a cup of a coffee. A coffee vending machine therefore makes it an easy and convenient source for all of us. It saves your efforts and your time. Number 4, cost of coffee vending machines. Cost of coffee vending machine differ as per requirement for residential purposes and office purposes. One vending machine would cost nearly around 20,000 or so, whereas if such machine is used for commercial purposes, for instance, at a cafe where they would need to blend different varieties of coffee, the machine would go up to rupees 1 lakh or so. And lastly, number 5, should you invest in it or not? A coffee vending machine is highly recommended at office premises, where one cannot always have to wait for a coffee if he has the option to get it instantly. With hundreds of people working at a company or even a company with 20 to 50 employees, it becomes tough to start the overall process fresh. Therefore, investing in the instant solution is a smart way. It can make your job easy. That's all for today's video. Hope you like it. For more such videos, keep following Vendify, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe. Till then, bye bye, keep vending.